Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today my son Adib will make salted honey rolls. It's a very tasty recipe and I know you will like it.
We're going to start out with 562 grams of flour, which is about 4.5 cups, and mix in 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, add in 4.5 teaspoons of instant yeast. On medium heat, we're going to melt together a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 1/3 cups of whole milk, and 4 tablespoons of honey. It has to be lukewarm so then the yeast will rise, so if it gets too hot, just let it cool down for a few minutes. In the meantime, beat together 1 large egg with 2 large egg yolks. Next, knead the flour with the butter mixture until combined. We used an electric mixer with the dough hook, or you can use a stand mixer, and if you don't have either of those, you can knead by hand for 10 minutes. Once they're combined, we're going to add in the eggs. And then knead for 5 to 7 minutes until it's a very springy and elastic dough. Then transfer the dough into a well-oiled bowl and cover it with a clean towel for 30 to 40 minutes so it can rise. And that's how much ours rose. Split the dough in about 15 to 18 equal balls and form them using this method where you flatten them out into a circle and then slowly roll them up and pinch the bottom closed into a ball. We greased a 9x9 baking dish with butter and we arranged all the balls and put the extras in a pan on the side. We're going to brush them with egg wash and then bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. While they're in the oven, make the honey butter topping by melting together a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of honey. Immediately brush the rolls with this when they come out of the oven and sprinkle with salt. And that's what they look like. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.